Hello everyone. My name is Amit. I'm from Kite Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad. Well, today we are going to cover the topic women entrepreneurship. These are the areas which will get focused during this presentation. First of all, we will go through the definition of entrepreneurship. Then I will let you know the four broad categories of entrepreneurship. Then I will cover characteristics of successful entrepreneur. After that, I will let you know who can perform entrepreneurial activities. Then we will go through the definition of women entrepreneurship, or we will able to understand what women entrepreneurship is. Then at last, I will let you know the keys to success for women entrepreneur, which will get summarized as traits or features of women entrepreneur finally. As you know that entrepreneurship is the process of designing, launching and running a new business, which is often initially a small business. Entrepreneurship has been described as the capacity and willingness to develop, organize, and manage a business venture along with any of its risks to make a profit. Mainly, the structures of entrepreneurship, what we see in the society, are categorized in four broad categories. They are small business entrepreneurship. Businesses are grocery stores, hairdressers, consultants, travel agents, internet commerce, storefronts, carpenters, plumbers, electricians, etc. Then it may get scaled up, and that's why it is regarded as a scalable startup entrepreneurship, which may get expanded further. After that, once the things will get expanded, it will become large company entrepreneurship. It will cover more entrepreneurial activities, and social entrepreneurship is there to benefit the society, or to have the benefit from the society as well. Then, certain characteristics of successful entrepreneurs are there, which are common to all entrepreneurs, that they are self-motivated, which is regarded as one of the most important traits for entrepreneurs. Of course, it is self-motivation. Without self-motivation, an entrepreneur cannot be a successful person. Because if someone wants to have certain kind of results, he will or she will have to act first. And that action should come from within. No one else will motivate him or her to act. So it is required to be done, or it is required to be initiated by the entrepreneurs itself on their own. Like if I'm taking the example of a student, if a student wants to learn something, then he will have to search the resources through which he can learn or she can learn. No one else is supposed to provide any kind of support. If someone is providing support as well, but anyhow, the person should have the initiation from himself or from herself. Like if you want to swim in the river, you will have to take initiation to go inside the river to swim or to cross the river. No one else can take you to the river to cross it. In the similar fashion, next point is there, that is, entrepreneurs should be able to take risk. There is an old saying in Hindi that if someone wants to have pearl, he will have to dive inside the water or inside the sea. Otherwise, he or she can't have that pearl in hand. Another saying, the meaning is that if someone want to swim in the water, he or she will have to take the risk to go inside the water. Then only he or she able to understand or will able to learn to swim. Of course, that person who want to swim will have to take the risk of getting drowned inside the water or inside the river. So, risk is required to be taken by the entrepreneurs. Since entrepreneurs merely participate in the business, since they do business, they aim towards profit. Profit cannot be earned alone. You need to have support from the society. You need to be known to the society. And for being known inside the society, you should have the power, you should have the capacity to establish your own network through which you can get business, through which you can earn profit. So, entrepreneurs should know how to network with people. If any enterprise is required to be established, basic money management skills should be there, because without money, no enterprise can be established. So, entrepreneurs should know that where from the money can be arranged and how those money may get diverted into business for earning profit or for expanding the business. So that knowledge or skill, I mean to say that basic money management skill or knowledge should be there with the entrepreneurs. Apart from that, entrepreneurs should be flexible. They should be flexible to learn something new. They should be flexible to adapt with the situations. They should be flexible to understand the surroundings, and they should act accordingly as per the requirement of the time or requirement of the society or surroundings. Whosoever is going to be entrepreneur should have the passion towards his or her work, should have the desire, should have the clear-cut goal that why he or she is working, what exactly he or she would like to have finally. So, passion should be there. If passion will not be there, of course, that will affect the motivation also. I mean to say, it will affect self motivation. If the person will not have the motivation, definitely he or she will not act accordingly as per the requirement. So, passion should be there. It is a main ingredient for being an entrepreneur. Now, the thing is, who all can perform entrepreneurial activities? Well, from the beginning, while discussing, I was saying that he or she, well, with that I was trying to tell you that men or women both can be entrepreneurs. They both can perform entrepreneurial activities. So there is no foundation. Of course, to become women entrepreneur is a little, it is having certain constraints because of our society, but it is very much accepted nowadays in our society. So anyone, either men or women, can go for entrepreneurial activities. Women entrepreneurship can be defined as women entrepreneurs has been defined as the woman or a group of women who initiate, organize, and operate a business enterprise. This definition I have taken from the link given at the bottom. A woman entrepreneur is therefore a confident, creative, and innovative woman desiring economic independence individually and simultaneously creating employment opportunities for others. So, these are the three ingredients for being a women entrepreneur. That is what? Confident, he or she, as I mean to say, she should be confident, she should be creative enough, she should be innovative also, because without being innovative, changes will not be there for the betterment. So innovation is very much required, apart from confidence and creativeness. With the spread of education and awareness, women entrepreneurs have shifted from the extended kitchen activities to higher level of activities such as engineering, electronics, and energy. Although the number of such units is not large, but it can be noted that women are putting up units to manufacture solar cookers, small foundries, TV capacitors, and electronic ancillaries. Some of the successful accomplished women entrepreneurs in the country, Srimati Sumati Morarji of Shipping Corporation, Srimati Yamutai Kirloskar of Mahila Udyog Limited, Srimati Neena Malhotra in exports, and Srimati Sahnaz Hussain in beauty clinic cosmetics stand as ideal to women entrepreneurs. Further, since the inception of NASA Awards to Small Entrepreneurs instituted in 1983, more than 10 women entrepreneurs have received a special recognition award, which says a lot about the women entrepreneur and also the kind of acceptance in our society, in India particularly, is also explained through these number of awards. They attributed their success to their untiring hard work, perseverance, determination, confidence in them, and most importantly, their compelling urge of wanting to do something positive in their lives. What has been observed while studying multiple women entrepreneurs, that certain key factors are common to all of them. They learn from mistakes and develop a strong sense of self. They get excited to move forward and improve themselves. Most successful women, business women, are passionate about what they do. They are tough, they are hardworking, they are brave, they are confident, they believe in themselves, they are ambitious, they are willing to learn. So, these things are common, which has been found amongst multiple women entrepreneurs anywhere in the world, but not only in India. Which make it further summarized as follows as traits or features of women entrepreneur. That women entrepreneurs are ambitious and goal oriented. They are confident, innovative, they are willing to learn something new, and they are people oriented. I mean to say, they are able to have their own social network, in fact, large social network, which is the key to their success. I think I had given you enough input for today. You can start building your own structure of knowledge on the basis of the input provided to you. If in case of doubts, we will come together and we'll discuss on those doubts which will come later. Thank you. Thank you for the day.